All right, guys, so I broke my lip yesterday. I'm gonna show you guys how to properly fix them like a JDM boy. Let's get it. All right, so here's my damage. So you always need to have, dang, never mind. That broke. Now we're gonna make it work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. All right. Yep, that's how we're doing it. Do not drill through your hand. All right. Should we use white? Let's see what white looks like. White might be cool. Should we just do a mix? Leaning towards the mix setup. So you can remove the lip. You also don't need to, so you know, whatever works. We're gonna do X's up in here. And you gotta do the X. The X looks the best. We're getting fancy up in here. Heck yeah. And there you have it. That's it. Just gonna trim that off. Looks hardcore as F. And that's it. Probably look good as new.